This is the Domaver 3-in-1 magnetic case with lens and screen protectors for the iPhone 17 Pro Max I was sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. It's a hard PC back with very firm bumpers, a little softer over the button areas and then harder in the other sections. We'll go ahead and pop it in there. A perfectly snug fit. This is kind of like a frosted, dark frosted look, so it's going to show just a hint of the color of your phone, and then your phone is going to shine through right here in those two little open areas with your lenses. A really cool look. I love the highlighted, really grippy too. That color that goes around. Gonna give you a nice grip. This is Magsafe, of course, compatible with Magsafe accessories, really strong grip with things like this magnetic phone mount, wireless charging, you name it. I also love that color highlights around your lenses here. It's just a really bold, beautiful look while remaining super slim. The buttons are covered and clicky. Love that. The port and speakers are open at the bottom. Your action button is open, and then this one is nice and clicky. A gorgeous, super protective case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. They also have this for the 17 Pro in a ton of colors for both. This one is called orange. Obviously, they're calling it the color of the kind of highlights here. Just gorgeous. Don't forget, it also comes with the screen protector and lens protectors. This is one solid piece here. It's not individual lens, so that's gonna make it really like flush over your lenses here. Easy to wipe clean because it makes them flush rather than kind of going up and down over those lenses. There's no cover for this. It's just this section here. It does come with the installation kit as well. And then for the screen, that is just gonna install, boom, like that. There's no frame or anything. Once you remove the protective film, it's going to be crystal clear. It's going to function and look and feel just like your regular screen, just with the extra protection. Even without adding that screen protector, you still have the bezel over your screen here. Really nice all the way around, and also great bezels to protect those camera lenses. So even if you don't want to install the extra ones, you've still got amazing protection here, but I love that it comes with them and the option to use them. So really great set. If you want to protect your iPhone 17 Pro Max or 17 Pro with a gorgeous functional case with a MagSafe capability, this is a great one from Domaver. I love it, and I know you will too.